Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into writesonic AI account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your writesonic AI on your online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in writesonic.com and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of writesonic. Now in order to log into your writesonic account from over here, you can see the get started option or the sign in button available for us at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the sign in button over here where my mouse is hovering, and on this interface guys, you can see you'll be required to either enter with your business email address with which you had signed up, and you can choose to sign in with an OTP or the one-time password, or an SSO mail, or sign in with just the password if you click over here, or you can log into your writesonic AI account with your Google or your Apple account if you click on either of these buttons, or login panel to your Google or Apple will open, and if you log into your respected accounts, you will be signed into writesonic with your Google or Apple account. And with that being said guys, for a manual login, let's enter our email address and the password of our writesonic AI account, whichever may it be. And after entering your business email and password, click on the sign in button over here, and then you'll be logged into your writesonic AI account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.